Tonight, the death of Javier Ambler placed a critical spotlight on reality television in policing. A trial in Austin starting this week will focus on whether a thirst for drama and ratings contributed to Ambler's death.
Former Williamson County deputies J.J. Johnson and Zach Camden face manslaughter charges after video showed them using tasers on Ambler multiple times as he shouted he couldn't breathe and had a heart condition. KVUE senior reporter Tony Plahetsky is here now with us in the studio with more. Tony?
Brian and Quita, in the 4 years since the KVUE Defenders first uncovered Ambler's death, much has happened. Texas passed a law banning reality TV shows from following law enforcement, and Williamson County paid its highest settlement ever to the Ambler family of $5 million. But now the Amblers and prosecutors seek a criminal conviction against those deputies. Before we go any further, we want to warn you that you may find portions of this story disturbing to watch. This body camera video shows the clash between Javier Ambler II and Williamson County deputies J.J. Johnson and Zach Camden in March 2019. The deputies had chased Ambler for 22 minutes into Austin in a pursuit that started because he failed to dim his headlights, all while the show Live PD filmed. For 4 years, Ambler's sister, Kimberly Jones, has pushed for justice, now in criminal court.
He was my advocate when he was here on Earth. So I feel like I need to be his advocate when he's not here. I need to be able to allow people to see who we lost and what our family is having to deal with.
Jury selection starts Tuesday morning in the case, with opening statements set for Monday. Prosecutors are expected to argue that Ambler died because of a thirst for dramatic television and ratings, and that the deputies used excessive and unjustified force. In a statement, the DA's office said, quote, "The Travis County District Attorney's Office is committed to seeking justice on behalf of Javier Ambler and his family and is ready for trial." Defense attorneys for the deputies likely will try to convince jurors that Ambler resisted arrest and that the tasers were necessary for him to comply. They also are expected to suggest that Ambler had multiple health issues that led to his death, not the taser use.
Do it now, roll over.
Attorney Ken Irvin outside a recent pretrial hearing.
Well, the defense is that our clients acted appropriately and in accordance with their training in the law.
Ambler's sister says she plans to be in court as the case unfolds.
My brother's life was taken. Ultimately, it was taken from him. It was taken from us. It was taken from his children. So definitely we want justice for that.
And this is the second time in recent months that Travis County District Attorney Jose Garza has taken a law enforcement officer to trial. As we know, a jury deadlocked in a murder case of Austin police officer Christopher Taylor and the death of Michael Ramos. That case will be tried again later this year.
Well, Tony, this case is known all over the country. How important is jury selection itself?
Quita, experts say it is critical that these types of cases, particularly when we're talking about police use of force, are won and lost often when a jury is selected. And because of pretrial publicity in this case, the Judge Karen Sage, has actually called 300 potential jurors during the course of the week to seat a jury, hopefully by the end of the week, so that opening statements can start a week from today on Monday.
We know you'll be following this trial very closely.
Absolutely.
Senior reporter Tony Plahetsky here with us in the studio. Thanks, Tony.
You're welcome.